Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit white glow filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast -22. Highlights -34. Shadows -40. Whites -20. Blacks 18. Next go to Color. Tint 4. Saturation -15. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. Hue -20. Saturation 32. Luminance 26. Go to Orange. Hue -14. Saturation 8. Luminance 61. Go to Yellow. Saturation -71. Next go to Green. -43 for saturation. Go to Aqua. Saturation -64. And done. Next go to Effect. Texture -10. Clarity -4. Go to Split Tone. Hue 241 and Saturation 4 for highlights. Balance 61. And done. Next go to Details. Sharpening 4. Noise Reduction 12. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.